Are you struggling to feel healthy? Are you struggling to adopt and keep a sustained healthy diet and lifestyle? Maybe you've tried a fad diet and it hasn't lasted. We're all told to eat more fruits and vegetables, but how to maintain this? How to keep a healthy lifestyle? Imagine adopting simple changes that you can notice quickly and start feeling better each day, giving you the desire to keep going, every day making more and more progress. Hi, I'm Kuba, Master of Art, Master of Science, detoxification specialist, and a passionate health enthusiast. For the past 7 years, I've been eating a highly raw diet full of fruits, vegetables, natural, wholesome foods. And I've struggled a lot at the beginning, but I've adopted lots of tips and practices to make the process easy and fun nowadays. So I created this 7-day video series because I'm so passionate about health, to help you do the same in a fun and easy way. Every day I will send you a video for the next 7 days with a little homework assignment, and it'll get you taking action and help you learn about a healthy lifestyle full of fruits, vegetables, and natural whole foods. It even comes with a meal plan and recipe book to make the process super easy for you. So don't delay, check it out right away. I don't know how long I'm gonna have this up, but for now it's there and it's gonna be taken down soon. So sign up today. Take care of your health and feel good.